Welcome back, dear students, in our science class. Today's our topic is harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms can be harmful in many ways. Some microbes cause diseases in human beings, plants, and animals. Such disease causing microbes are called pathogens or germs. Let us discuss about diseases in humans. All human beings at one time or the other suffer from a disease. These diseases are caused by microorganisms. These microorganisms enter our body where they multiply, damage the body cells and cause the disease. Diseases in humans are of two types, namely communicable and non-communicable diseases. In this chapter, we will study about communicable diseases only. Diseases which spread from an infected person to a healthy person through various modes of transmission are called communicable diseases. For example, common cold, cholera, chickenpox, etc. Now let us study in detail about different modes of transmission of communicable diseases. First, through air. An infected person during coughing, sneezing, spitting and speaking may release droplets of moisture carrying the disease causing microorganism. These droplets, when enter another person's body while breathing, may make him sick. Diseases such as common cold, tuberculosis, pneumonia are transmitted in this way. Second, through contaminated food or water. Some microorganisms enter the body through infected food and water. They normally infect the digestive system and are highly infectious. Third, through insects. Insects spread diseases either through their bite or by transferring pathogens to food articles. Such insects are called carriers or vectors. When housefly sit on garbage or animal excreta, pathogens stick to their bodies. When they again sit on food, they transfer these germs to the food. A person consuming this contaminated food may become sick. So, we should avoid eating uncovered food items. Malaria is spread by the female Anopheles mosquito. When a female Anopheles sucks the blood of an infected person, the protozoan, that is Plasmodium, is taken into its stomach. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, these Plasmodium, that is protozoa, enter person's blood causing malaria. Female Aedes is another mosquito vector for dengue virus. All the mosquitoes breed in water. Hence, one should not let water collect in coolers, tires, flower pots, etc. By keeping our surroundings clean and dry, we can prevent mosquitoes from breeding.